recycling again, factory resetting. Again, you can see it's blinking, then after some time stop. This is not the first time I'm doing a factory reset. Just stuck somewhere there. Now it's 2 minutes. Let's keep it for some time. I'm leaving it for quite a long time, 6, 7, 8 minutes. Let's see. I'll hold it and see. As you can see, it was connected here to the phone. Disconnected. No more. You cannot see anything. No blinking. Cannot touch the buttons. The light is just stuck there. Time is passing. I reset it a couple of times. Still not working. Let's see. I'll give it some time and see. Almost 4 minutes. Same condition. Not appearing on the Bluetooth. Not blinking. This light stopped there, is not moving. Almost 5 minutes since we restarted. Now 5 minutes. No Bluetooth. It's not moving. The light is stuck. Again here, nothing is pressed. The light stuck here. That is still waiting. Okay, I'm not putting it inside. It's not able to connect to Wi-Fi. Cannot press anything. It's totally dead. Almost 7 minutes. Still stuck, same place. Cannot press anything. It's not appearing here on Bluetooth or neither in Wi-Fi. Cannot connect to Wi-Fi. That is still there, and nothing can be done. Just stuck. I need a solution for this. Again, it was working. Here we go. Then not anymore. And this has happened recently. It was pressable, then suddenly start misbehaving, and now it's not working. Can see it's not appearing. It's stuck. I'm sure it's stuck somewhere while booting. 8 minutes, still stuck. Nothing. Again, nothing appearing. Not even Bluetooth, not even Wi-Fi. You cannot connect to it. The light is just halfway through. It was blinking, then it's gone.